Climate change is now widely considered to be the single greatest threat to the Great Barrier Reef. However, there is still much we don't know about how climate change will affect reef change. Only by understanding the potential impacts can management be successful in minimising and correcting the effects of climate change to ensure long-term sustainable use of the Great Barrier Reef. A key part of this process is predicting how water temperature will be affected. Current climate change scenarios work at large regional scales. The Marine and Tropical Sciences Research Facility is funding Australia's leading scientists to convert these models to smaller reef scales in order to answer important questions about the local area. A second important question is how climate change will affect the individuals, populations and communities that make up the reef. Researchers are developing new models to predict whether corals can adapt to increased water temperatures, and if so, how fast and under what conditions. In 2005, water temperatures around Magnetic Island exceeded the threshold of some past bleaching events. But surprisingly, this time, no bleaching occurred. Could these corals be developing a greater resistance? Resistance and resilience will be central in determining how serious climate change is for the reef. Some coral species are better able to cope with changes in temperature than others, and the research has shown that this is partly a result of their genetic makeup. The Marine and Tropical Sciences Research Facility will help provide answers to vital and pressing issues about how the Great Barrier Reef will be affected by climate change. Will the ecosystem be able to adapt to climate change? How resilient will it be? What measures are available to reduce pressures on the reef? For example, what role will improving human land use play?